Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Valentina.
I'm Cameron and we are Thank You Plant-Based God.
And today we're going to be making gingerbread cake. Let's get started.
So our ingredients today are plant-based milk, sugar, molasses, applesauce, our spices, plant-based butter. Preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're going to want to oil our pan where we're going to bake our cake in. And then we're going to start going in by mixing in our dry ingredients first, separately from our wet ingredients second. This is what your dry ingredients will look like once they're all mixed in. And these are what your wet ingredients will look like once they're all mixed in. You're slowly going to start incorporating your wet ingredients in with your dry ingredients. Once that's all mixed together, this is what it'll look like, and now we're ready to go over into our baking pan and pour in our mix. You're going to bake your gingerbread cake for 35 to 45 minutes, checking it in between to make sure the cake has baked through. Let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes and then dust with powdered sugar.
This is our gingerbread cake.
Make sure you're following Thank You Plant-Based God.
And happy holidays.
Bye.